Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Floki. Had to cover it. This morning we got a relatively bullish start of the markets. And what that caused is that caused meme coins to rally, all right, which is almost very predictable right now because meme coins rally a lot as a narrative. But now you can see that meme coins are very strong. Not all of them. I mean, if you look at WIF and Bonk, for example, I think technically they are still bearish, even though they have rallied quite a bit. Pepe also still relatively neutral. And then you have Floki, and Floki is very strong. And you can also see that I believe Token has been relatively strong this morning. Yeah, that's not that strong. It's also not weak, but it's not the strongest performer. Which Floki and Token are obviously in price quite correlated. But alright, very bullish move. We got a nice bullish breakout. For that I'm going to zoom in here. Because Floki was, after the drop we had last week Thursday, it was mostly consolidating here in this area between, I would say, 26,500. So that's this level here, maybe a bit higher towards 26,750. And then this level here at 24,000. So that's the main level we were consolidating within. And that's also the level we broke above. Got a nice bullish break retest here. So we actually got a consolidation break with a retest. Purely technically, that's a major bullish confirmation. Now, what I worry about a little bit more though is the markets, all right? Because if you look at the momentum for Floki, again, that's actually pretty strong. Like we got some real buy orders coming in. I think the momentum compared to the last moves we had with Floki when it was very bullish. So at the end of May, for example, last week. The momentum was much higher. So now we have started to gain some open interest here. We started to gain some momentum, but I'm not fully convinced yet. And that's also because it's the start of a new month. All right, Bitcoin right now, relatively strong. The strength of Bitcoin and the bullish momentum from Bitcoin is also influencing these meme coins. All right, so without the strength from Bitcoin, meme coins couldn't rally. All right, so that also means that if Bitcoin turns bearish here, which I think is a possibility, then meme coins like Floki can actually suffer quite a bit. So that's what I'm worried about. All right, there's one last resistance level here, which we are at right now, just above 28,000. And I think here, like this is the last test. If we can actually find resistance here and hold a support level like 27,000, then technically we're bullish. And if we can do that until tomorrow, I have to assume we're bullish and we're going back up to 30 and 31,000 up here. But for now, I would be a bit cautious, all right? Because if Bitcoin starts to fall, back down below 68,500, then Floki, with the momentum it has right now, will probably not be able to hold this support, right? So then it will drop back down below that. We got a nice move, but it turns into a fake out and we drop back down into the consolidation. So those are the two scenarios. And honestly, with the moment, like I would say it's a bit more likely to actually hold its own. So to hold this bullish breakout and to stay bullish, I think that's a bit more likely. That's at least historically when we see the meme coin narrative rally like this, that's what we historically see. But I'm staying away from trading this. I think it's too risky for that. All right, so no guarantees. These are the two scenarios. I think this is more likely, but be careful and keep your eyes on Bitcoin. Those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.